Even if they say, as surely as Jehovah is alive, they would still swear to what is false. Oh Jehovah, do your eyes not look for faithfulness? You struck them, but it made no impact on them. You exterminated them, but they refused to accept discipline. They made their faces harder than a rock, and they refused to turn around. Hear this, you foolish and senseless people. They have eyes but cannot see. They have ears but cannot hear. Do you not fear me, declares Jehovah? Should you not tremble before me? It is I who placed the sand as the boundary for the sea, a permanent regulation that it cannot pass over. Although its waves toss, they cannot prevail. Although they roar, they still cannot pass beyond it. But this people has a stubborn and rebellious heart. They have turned aside and gone their own way, and they do not stay in their heart. Let us now fear Jehovah our God. גם אם יאמרו חיוכה, הם עדיין ישבו לשקט. יובא אם עיניך אינן מחפשות נעמדות. הכית אותם, אך הדבר לא השפיע עליהם. השמדת אותם, אך הם סרבו לקבל מוסר. הם יקשו את פניהם יותר מסלע, וסרבו לשוב. שמעו זאת, עם כסיל וחסר תבונה. עיניים להם ולריו, אז להם להם מלא ישמעו. האם עוד תיאלכם יראים, מכריז יהובה. האם מפני לא תרעדו? אני שמתי את החול כגבול הים,